An air-cooled chiller works by circulating a refrigerant through a cycle that absorbs heat from a space and rejects it into the surrounding air. The process involves evaporation, compression, condensation, and expansion of the refrigerant to transfer heat from the water or process fluid to the air. Here's a more detailed breakdown. 1. Evaporation. Warm water or processed fluid from the space being cooled flows through the evaporator coil. Inside the coil, the refrigerant evaporates, absorbing heat from the water and lowering its temperature. The refrigerant, now in vapor form, is drawn out of the evaporator. 2. Compression. A compressor then increases the pressure and temperature of the refrigerant vapor. 3. Condensation. The high-pressure, high-temperature refrigerant vapor flows to the condenser. In the condenser, the refrigerant releases its heat to the surrounding air, condensing back into a liquid. Fans are used to move ambient air across them.